Hi everyone, today's headlines. Transport Department informs on issue of permits. It's time for Nagas to reconcile and forgive by LPO. Nagaland logs 49 new COVID-19 cases, 62 recoveries. Vaccine hesitancy poses challenges in COVID-19 fight. SF nabbed 3 with illegal liquor. Sharp jump in single-day COVID-19 cases in Kerala. News in details. Transport Department informs on issue of permits. The Transport Department informed that in supersession of notification on May 6, 2021, the State Transport Department has laid down the following guidelines on issue of permit for all goods transport vehicles and passenger service vehicle in the state, which shall come into immediate effect. For transport vehicle, Rs 25 per MT per year. For taxi cab or tourist cab, Rs 200 per year. For stage carrier or city bus or omnibus, Rs 320 per year. It's time for Nagas to reconcile and forgive by LPO. The Lotha Public Organization has said that Nagas have been absorbed in fighting among ourselves for a long time, and it's time to unite with true spirit of reconciliation and forgiveness for the sake of the future generation. The LPO stated this in a press release signed by its president Sulantung Hamso and vice president Fiobomo Odio. The organization has also appealed to the Government of India to resume the Indo-Naga political talk at the Prime Minister level to expedite the peace talk. While maintaining that flag and constitution are two inherent rights that are dear to the Nagas, it urged the Government of India to recognize them, saying that such a move will bring about an honorable and acceptable political settlement to the long pending issue. Nagaland logs 49 new COVID-19 cases, 62 recoveries. A total of 49 samples out of 2,423 tested positive for COVID-19 in Nagaland on August 25, indicating a sample positivity rate of 2.02%. According to Daily Bulletin, Dimapur and Mokokchung reported the highest number of fresh positive cases on Wednesday, with 24 and 11 cases respectively. Kohima accounted for 9 new cases and Longlang has 2 new cases, while Woka, Mon and Zunabato has 1 case each. Vaccine hesitancy poses challenges in COVID-19 fight. Despite inoculating a total of 8.27 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccine across the state till last week, senior government officers who were assigned to all the districts of the state to review the management of COVID-19 have told the state government that low turnout for vaccination was a major concern. The officers tabled their report at a review meeting with Principal Commissioner Home Abhijit Sinha held in a Secretariat Conference Hall on Wednesday. The officers expressed the view that the main challenge in achieving vaccination was due to vaccine hesitancy in the mind of the people. SF nabbed 3 with illegal liquor. Security forces apprehended 3 individuals with illegal liquor at Tizit Mon on August 24. According to PRO IGAR North, based on a specific input, security forces recovered illegal liquor worth around Rs 70,000 being transported to Nagaland. The apprehended individual along with recovered liquors were handed over to Mon police station for further investigation. Sharp jump in COVID-19 cases in Kerala, over 31,000 fresh infections recorded in a day. Kerala Wednesday reported a whopping 31,445 fresh COVID-19 cases. The State Health Department said 215 fatalities and 20,271 recoveries were also recorded over the past 24 hours. On Tuesday, Kerala had recorded 24,296 COVID-19 cases. It was the second time yesterday since May 27 when Kerala had recorded over 24,000 cases of the coronavirus in a day. That day, Kerala's daily tally stood at 24,166 cases. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.